Good morning. We're on Tuesday, the last week of first semester, if you can believe it. Next week is start of Christmas break, and later next week is, of course, Christmas. Still over a week away here now. We got some good hard spelling units to go through. Remember, dealing with this vowel and R sound again. Won't ever go away, but more specifically, this air sound. And again, I kind of like this chart because these sentences, right? Put the carrot on the chair, Larry. My stare will scare the bear. Can you spare a pair of chairs? Always that air sound. But look at these different ways it's spelled. I mean, the A-I-R, like in hair. We have A-R, which you're actually not going through in this list, but that's another one, like carry. Bear, in this case, like the bare tree without any leaves, the empty tree. B-A-R-E. And tear, T-E-A-R. 3 different spellings that we're going through. And we even have the elephant word like where it's E-R-E. You gotta study these words, guys, because a lot of times you can use a sound, but if you just hear the word like pear, you gotta understand 2 things. Number 1, the 2 different ways pear is spelled, P-E-A-R, right? Or P-A-I-R. And so you also gotta listen to how it's used in a sentence. For instance, if mommy sends you to the store to buy a pear, I think you probably know you gotta go to the fruit section to get the fruit pear, right? If you go into Walmart because you need a pair of socks, you're not going to the fruit section, you're going to the clothes section to buy socks, right? A pair means 2 in that case. And that's what we're talking about with homophones. If you remember, homo means same, phone means sound. Same sound, but different spelling. Now, I know a lot of these are not our spelling words like sun and sun, but you can see how the picture and the sentence helps you understand that sun and sun is exactly sounding the same, but spelled differently and has different meanings. Look at this. Flower, flower. One, I, dear. Completely the same sound, completely different spellings, completely different meanings. We also have this one. Now, this one is a spelling word with hair and hair. But please understand, completely different spellings and completely different meanings. That's how dealing with homophones works. Look at this chart. This is a chart we're going to see a lot this week because I think it really just takes a whole snapshot of our spelling unit when dealing with these air sounds. Look at how the A-R-E for the air sounds, the A-I-R, the E-A-R, and of course the elephant words, the E-R-E here. All the same sound, the whole air sound. A lot of different homophones, and you gotta really know how to spell those. That's why I think this assignment really helps you out. So this top section is the letter math, right? Math and spelling, which is crazy. But you can see here that it really just helps you understand how to correctly spell it. I like this example here. We have ch plus fair, but you minus the fair, and so you take out the F and you're left with the C-H-A-R, or chair, right? And that's what they have here. So that's the example. Sorry, number 1, k plus would minus the W. So you take off the W and you have could, right? That's one of our review words there. But at any rate, that's how you do section 1, numbers 1 through 9. And then numbers 10 through 14 I really like because, yes, they're silly sentences, but it really helps you understand which homophone to use. For instance, apples and a blank grew on a tree. Now, you know it's pear, but it's specifically the P-E-A-R because it's a fruit, right? So, I had a friendly talk with the big brown... Now, I think you understand. Again, it's a silly sentence, but a big brown bear. Now, which bear is it? Well, I think if you understand that bear, the animal, is B-E-A-R, that's it, you right there. So that's what this section helps you out with, knowing which homophone, which spelling to use. You may very well have to look back at the Unit 19 words to help you out, but this is your assignment for today, guys. Lord's blessings as you praise your Savior.